Hi guys, Olivia here, your pretty and Marteng instructor and tarot reader. And for today's video, let's check kung ano ang messages for you ng baraha. I would like to say salamat sa lahat ng nagpapabook ng kanilang private readings, natal chart readings. Thank you so much guys. And for those who are interested, just check the description below ng aking mga social media accounts and you can contact me doon. I'm also active on TikTok. Kung gusto niyo sumali sa aking pa-live readings, i-follow niyo po ang aking dalawang accounts. Yeah, let's check anong messages for you ng baraha. I'm also starting to upload sa YT channel para sa mga zodiac signs readings and other exclusive readings. Check nyo rin po ang account ko below. Thank you. And first card, we have the Strength card. Next card, what is the messages for you for today? Or mensahe para sa iyo ng baraha ngayon. 3 of Wands, 4 of Swords, Judgment, King of Pentacles. Lastly, we have 8 of Swords. Ang nakikita ko sa mga barahang ito, there's a movement na kailangan ng tapang or courage. You have to take the leap of faith para masimulan yung pinaplano mo, especially when it comes to career growth, wealth growth. There's also an energy here. You have to trust your ideas, your communication skills, your thoughts, especially if this or ang mga iniisip mo ay related sa abundance. There's also an energy here. Huwag ka matakot to speak up. There is a heavy energy of communications here sa pagdating ng inyong career. Kung gusto mo magkaroon ng mastery sa inyong career, you have to find the courage to speak up, to share your knowledge, especially if you're someone na into teachings, coachings, or somebody na ginagamit ang boses, ang pagsusulat when it comes to your career. There's also an energy here of trouble, pero nagdadalawang isip ka kung magkakaroon ba siya ng progress pagdating mo doon, or kung tatanggapin mo yung relocation na yan, magkakaroon ka ba ng changes or advantage ba ito sa'yo. Kaya medyo may pagdadalawang isip dito. Again, you have to take the leap of faith para makita ang growth na to. There is always growth here. It's just that takot ka lang to grab this opportunity, and there's also an awakening energy here, especially if you're someone na nakakaramdam lately ng stuck energy. Meron ditong awakening. Ang mga nangyayari sa buhay mo nagbibigay ng clarity sa'yo. Minsan nagkakaroon ka din ng ayun nga, stuck energy. Kaya minsan, or doubt sa sarili, kaya hindi mo nakikita kung ano man yung growth na nangyayari sa'yo. Meron din ako nakikita dito, you have to start trusting the higher power, yung higher self, or whoever you believe in na mas greater power sa inyo. There's a lot of doubts here that you have to let go to really achieve your visions in life. So yeah, this is your message for today, and I hope it helps. See you sa next video. Bye!